Welcome to the 2020 GMC Denali Terrain. The Terrain's powered by a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior: power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, height adjustable trunk release, automatic headlights, fog lights, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls. 48,743 kilometers at the time of this recording. Push button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated front seating. You have your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive settings there as well. Gear selector in the center, that beautiful two-tone Denali interior with the Bose audio, and our leather heated ventilated Denali seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Denali Terrain, we have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful alloy wheels and Hankook all-season tires. Color match door handles with chrome accents, keyless entry, Denali on the door, chrome mirror caps with the LED strip. Coming down to the front, we have the chrome front grille with parking sensors, as well as LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Making our way to the back of the vehicle, we have rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped. At the back, LED brake lights, dual chrome exhaust tips, rear parking sensors, power tailgate with a backup camera as well. Jumping into the interior here, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready. Seats fold down nice and quick, giving us access to the trunk. We have the seat saver there as well. Rubberized mat on the cargo space. Over top, the light colored headliner and LED lighting with a dual panel sunroof system, as well as your heated seat controls, USB ports, and an outlet in the back of the center console. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the 2020 GMC Denali Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.